Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stino RWD. Stino Rebel Drive back at y'all with another video. And today I'm back at y'all with a POV cutting up session. But we not in my G. We in my man's G. Y'all done seen him before on the channel. White 2011 G37X. Got a 5% all around. Literally 5% windshield, 5% on around, 5% on the back. Yeah, man. I see the build, I see the setup. So I'm just about to take it for a spin. Give y'all a different, just a different whip, a different option. We got the gloss black roof with the gloss black mirror caps, 3.7 badge GTR headlights. This light up emblem lights up, of course. I see it right there. Yeah, man. So we're about to get into this video. See how y'all like the G. Looking real smooth, looking real clean, even though it's not even clean for real. Buddy don't even take care of his car, I ain't gonna lie. He in the whip right now. I'm gonna go ahead and tell him, say what's up to y'all, whatnot. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. You know what I mean? There go the owner. Ready to put his little ad right here. We gonna have some more cutting up. Last bipping sessions and some races for real. I've been trying to ask him race me, but he don't want, yeah, man. I don't know if he's scared. I don't know what it is, man. But probably gonna get some races and some cutting up sessions with y'all, or for y'all, for real. Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah. Straight right there. Ain't can't get up. So I bust a left. Y'all in here, so there's a lot of wind noise right there. Oh. Buddy think his car fast.
That shit fast. Bet you good.
It's alright.
You tell him it's turn?
This turn? I hope you know everybody on here some car fiends, so they gonna know this, you feel me? Yeah. They gonna know it's not turn. Highway or straight?
Highway.
I'm gonna wait for that person. What is you doing, boy? You better relax. That is boys.
Ain't getting the car.
hot. He didn't even pull out. Good boy. Nice eye, boy. Let's race. Let's race. If we race, we gonna see who should really get up like that.
I want to go for it, so you tuned it, bro.
He did not tune it, bro. Mountain View, y'all. Mountain View crazy. Look. He thought it was you, yeah. GT, I think it's a GT350. Old school motherfucker. That's our guy. Top. Probably gotta get y'all a video in that car too. Man, no, it's not. He must not. Y'all, I don't know why he talking like that for real. He must not know about me for real. faster, but it's gonna you're gonna hear more sound. Probably make it a little faster, but if you tune it, you're gonna feel it for sure. But long tube intakes. Long tube. If you want to tune, you gotta do long tube intakes, test pipes, and exhaust. I'm missing something. Long tube intakes, test pipes, and exhaust. I think those are the main three for real. And then the tune, of course. So that's like tune, you can get tuned. If you get up, you can get an up rev tune for like 500-600. You can get EcuTech, which is a good one, for like 700 to like 900 each map. So there's map 1, map 2, map 3, map 4. Each map, if you add more maps, each map puts, you feel me, each map is like more money for real. So there's a flame map that spit flames, there's a burble map, there's a eco map and shit like that. It's out for real. But sure. That's what I might do for it. That's what I might do. I don't know. I was telling them the last video that I might tune this motherfucker for real. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'ma holler at y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all have a good day to me. Comment, like, subscribe, share it to a friend. And yeah, stay tuned. And turn on post notifications. Hit that bell down below so y'all know the next time I'm posting.
Y'all better subscribe.
Yeah, man. Y'all heard my guy?
Yeah.
We out.